Jay Woods here at KTAuthentics. We're going to do one more box of Tech Football for SawmillThug. He said one box and he's done. Terry, you wanted to do box one, right? Box one, correct? Okay, just making sure. I have not pulled the, or had the, oh, you took the wrong box number on me. I don't want this box yet. So, still one of my biggest fears. Alright, it's shiny in there. And I see some numbering. Let's slow roll it for Terry. Alright, we got Kurt Warner's circuit board. John Elway, purple. And R. Wilson, I really wish you would have picked this box. Out of 99, Nelson Aguilar. Nelson Aguilar out of 99. 91 of 99. Nelson Aguilar. That is R. Wilson's boy. The case wasn't even in the shop last night. I think do we have a 2 auto box? I don't know what we have. Nope. Just the color of Eddie Lacy's pants was throwing me off. Circle dots, Eddie Lacy circles, Melvin Gordon lines, Mariota grass, and Stafford grass. Again, thank you, Terry.